Neeti is here and she's going to be joining us live on the Fame app.
Hello!
Well, nobody ever knew that you must be such a nerd.
I am.
Yes, guys, Neeti is finally here. So excited for your birthday. Meghna, you're excited. सोचो नीति को भी कैसा लग रहा होगा. How are you?
Super excited.
Mm-hmm.
See, my birthday plan, I was supposed to go out of Mumbai, but because of a lot of shooting and it's become very hectic, so I don't want to give trouble to anybody. I'm a very good artist who doesn't give problems. I cancel my birthday plans, so I'm back here, I'm very upset about it, but there's some surprise my friends are planning, so देखते हैं क्या होता है.
Okay, what kind of surprise is it if you know that there is some surprise already being planned for you?
See, I'll tell you, no one knows this, but I was supposed to go to Goa for my birthday, but it got canned, and today I was cancelling my ticket, and you have no idea, I had tears. If you can see, my eyes are also swollen. I had all tears in my eyes when I was cancelling it. बहुत क्या heavy heart से मैं cancel कर रही थी.
दिल पे पत्थर रख के.
दिल पे पत्थर ईंट सब रख कर मैं ये कर रही थी. But I think they're planning a beach theme only for me because I couldn't go to Goa.
Tell us, how did this whole journey for you begin?
कैसी आ रही है? It just, I got a lot of calls like long back ago, and I was like, my mom was not well, so I was in Delhi for like 6-7 months.
Right.
So then they kept on calling me. Then once I was back, again they called me. So I went, I auditioned. Actually, I auditioned for Alia's role and Mukti's role. I never auditioned for Nandini. And then I did like some 4-5 auditions, and then I got selected.
And tell us something more about yourself, Neeti. आपने पढ़ाई कितनी की हुई है? आप अभी पढ़ रही हो या नहीं पढ़ रही हो? Because all these guys, you know, all these kids, they have big, you know, they look up to you. So
I am still studying because my mom always says without education, कुछ life में आगे नहीं बढ़ते. So yes, I am doing my education. Supposedly I'm supposed to do my last year of graduation, जो पता नहीं हो ही नहीं रहा है मुझसे because of the time thing. But yeah, I will. Hopefully I will complete this graduation here.
So did you know that you're actually that popular not just in India but also outside India?
I knew in London, but I didn't know about Australia. Australia was like, ooh.
आप जब रास्ते में जाती हो बाहर जाती हो तो कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि you're being mobbed by people and like Neeti one selfie with you
yeah, there are sometimes when I'm buying vegetables and fruits and everything and people come and like Neeti one selfie and I'm like, and मैं ऐसे like I'm not very dressy and everything, I'm too casual and I'm like okay, and with the sabzis I'm taking poses and everything, so sometimes it gets too much. And when you're eating, especially people, I don't know why they do this, you should not do. जब खाना खाते तो खाना खाने दो, they come and they'll be like एक selfie and half food is in my mouth, half is in my hand, and I'm like okay.
And you don't say no to them?
No, I can't say no to them.
How awesome, how cool is she, guys? I'm seriously falling in love with Neeti Taylor right now. Hey Neeti, come to London, I'll pay for your ticket.
अरे तब तो मैं आ ही जाती हूँ. Forget Goa, I'm coming to London. Thank you so much.
So Neeti, what is that one moment जब आपको लगा होगा कि I really want to relive that moment of कैसी है यार?
I think my first day of Kaisi Aarya, because when I saw Vibha for the first time, and I was like, she's such a senior artist. How will I even act in front of her? And then I saw so many, and all of them. Ayaz was so famous.
Right.
He's just such a good actor. Then I saw Charlie also, who was in Nach Baliye, the last thing that I saw, and I was like, oh shit, ये तो dancer, actor, सब है, मैं क्या करने वाली बीच में? And I remember how nervous I was. I went on diet because I saw this Chrisanne and Charlie, and I was like, I was so chubby that time. And I was like, कैसे करूँगी? And I used to call my mom, and I used to be like, Mom, I don't know how will I act. And then it just happened. So I want to relive my first day because I was so nervous. I was like this kid and everything. So yeah.
So they say that girls don't really bond when they're actors, especially. It's a saying. Probably it's turning into a myth now. Is that certainly again in your case?
Actually no. It depends who are your co-actors. I have, I think, the best co-actors. Yes, initially थोड़ी लड़ाई हुई थी. Yes, नहीं हुआ. Of course हुई थी.
Okay.
But then now it's all sorted. Now we're like best of friends. So.
Like, please Neeti को पूछ लेना कि what is her diet regime like? Does she follow anything?
I'll tell you, because I was going to Goa, I stopped eating. Like, I have stopped eating. The cameraman with me who just came, he's like, तुमने खाना खाया? I was like, नहीं खाया. I was like, अब तो मैं upset की वजह से नहीं खाया. But no, don't do that. Just eat. I eat a lot of rice. So, because...
Seriously?
Yeah, I eat a lot of rice. But yeah, if you want to diet, then don't eat rice. Just eat roti. That's it.
Alright, so there's Meghna who's been requesting for a hi for a very long time.
Meghna, hi. Hello, hi. And Shreya also. Hello. Krishan.
And Sweetie's gone mad asking
Sweetie, मैं single हूँ. लोगों को लगता है मैं
डबल हूँ, लेकिन ये डबल नहीं है. ये सिर्फ राइस खाती है, डबल नहीं होती.
मैं single ही हूँ because मेरे को नहीं लगता मेरे को कोई boyfriend मिलने वाला है. The way I shoot, he's going to leave me and run away.
Are you a foodie?
I am of big time.
What's your favorite food?
I love Indian.
Okay, in Indian क्या? Butter chicken?
Indian butter chicken, tandoori chicken, seek kebab. Love.
Given a chance, to choose 3 Bollywood actors to have a romantic scene with, who would that be and why?
Shahid Kapoor, because I adore him. Farhan Akhtar, because I love his acting. And maybe Salman Khan, because I want to work with him once.
Right. Since you mentioned Shahid Kapoor, he had also come down in the sets, right?
He never came to our set. He was shooting somewhere far. So then Vibha was taken far away and I was like...
But you got a picture with him?
No, I never got a picture. That was Photoshop.
What?
Yeah. I never got... Otherwise I would have been on cloud 9 now. But it just didn't happen.
Seriously? किसने किया वो Photoshop?
पता नहीं किसी ने तो किया
Hey,
but बहुत अच्छा किया is what I realized.
Realized?
I said it to
saw
my
that.
mom and dad and they were like, you met Shahid? And I was like, नहीं यार, this is Photoshop.
Boys, some incident that you can think of and you can tell us right now. You?
Yeah, I'll tell you. Okay, there's this, the initial promo जब आया था तो it was Vibha and me. मैं उड़ना चाहती हूँ कोई ऐसा dream हो. I remember when we were doing Musicana, I was running the blue ground. But then I was standing out on the stage, supposed to be all sad and all, and these girls and the guys go like, मैं उड़ना चाहती हूँ, because the way I said it was too funny, it was very bad. And then I was like, but नहीं ऐसा कुछ funny नहीं होता रहता है, याद नहीं.
Any plans to do a movie?
Plans to do movies, I don't plan my future. So whatever happens, I'll go with the flow.
And I'm assuming you're a good girl. Are you?
I am a very good girl.
She's a very good girl. So what I'm going to do is you have to hold this thing right now and close your eyes and not open it.
Oh shit.
Alright? You're not doing that.
Okay, ठीक है.
ठीक है? आंखें बंद रखनी आप.
Okay.
Advance में happy birthday!
बाकी बोलो?
हाँ, to you!
Thank you so much, thank you.
That's from us.
Okay.
It's the Fame team who's gifted you this box of chocolates for your birthday.
You should see my production people. मतलब my...
Right there.
Yeah.
They can watch themselves in just a bit.
Yo, that's the team.
Right. So खोल के देख लो आप एक बार इसमें क्या क्या है. आपको अच्छा लगता है?
मेरे को लगता है अच्छा. I like 5 star होगा इसमें दिल्ली में तो मुझे ऐसे बहुत सारे मिलते हैं तो मुझे पता है मैं बहुत सारे खाती हूँ. I do not share my chocolates. So one of the things I don't like I give. Like you want? I give.
So out of this, what can you actually give?
Pop. I don't like pop. I don't like chocolate with biscuit in it.
Alright.
I do half. The biggest piece I'll take and the chotu I'll give them.
And are any of your crew members getting lucky enough to get any of those?
Yeah, perks.
Guys, you should actually see the way she's hiding her chocolates, man. That's so cool.
Okay,
That's
lots
so
of love from my side to all of you. Big hug and a big kiss. And thank you so much. And keep supporting me and keep loving me. Signing off, Nandini Murthy Neete. Bye-bye.
Yes,
Yeah, please follow him.
Please follow me. So guys, that was Neeti Taylor along with us. And
See you.
bye. Thank
Take
you.
care.